This website was 100% created by AI, and I'm going to show you exactly how I did it completely for free. This is AI Studio, our vibe coding tool, and if you haven't vibe coded before, vibe coding just means we are talking to an AI chat like this and asking it to build websites, apps, landing pages, forms, anything we want really, and it will code the entire thing for us. Now this is AI Studio inside of my white label Linkific, which is my white label of GoHighlevel. So we can build really cool stuff like this using the vibe coder with 3 websites that I'm going to give you that contain tons of these cool looking elements that we can use in our site by simply copying and pasting different prompts. So the 3 websites that we're going to really be focusing on are 21st.dev, Aceternity, and Magic UI. And I have links to all 3 of these in the description. Each one of these is like a component library of all these really cool looking components that we can utilize with vibe coding. So for an example, that agent that you just saw on this website, we built this with a 21st.dev component. So if we go ahead and go here, you'll see this is one of their most popular components. It's called Spline Scene. It's this little AI agent, little robot that we can move around, and you can see it looks nearly identical to what we actually built inside of HighLevel. And when we built this was just one prompt. That's it. So as you can see here, we have build a site for selling AI agents, blah, and then we have this massive prompt here. Now, how do we get this prompt from 21st.dev and use this inside of our HighLevel vibe coder? Well, all we have to do is click copy prompt on this website. So we can click copy prompt. Then this will copy this entire prompt in order to actually build this component. And then we'll go back into the vibe coder, paste it in here, and then it will implement that element. And I'll show you how this works in real time with another element. So you can check out all of these different elements on their page. Their popular one is a great place to start because this category has a ton of cool looking elements that we can use inside of our site. Let's say we want to implement this really cool button here. We can actually take a look at the button right here, see how it looks, how it activates, right? What it looks like. It has this cool little effect. So we're going to use this. We'll go ahead and click copy prompt in the top right. Then you can either get this from the last page where it'll just give you one basic prompt, or it can give you access to any of these. Typically what I've seen work best with the HighLevel vibe coder is selecting Lovable because Lovable is very similar to HighLevel's vibe coder here. So we'll go ahead and say replace the browse agents button with the one below. And then all we'll do is we'll paste in that prompt. We're not even gonna look at it. We're just gonna send it over to HighLevel. And then this can actually implement that element from 21st.dev into our website. Now let's go ahead and check out a couple of the other platforms. So another one is called Aceternity. They have a lot of really cool landing pages and cool components and everything. If you just go to their website and then click components right here, you can see all of these different components that they have that you can use inside of your HighLevel site. So you can see on Aceternity, we've got all these different elements. Some of them will be premium and some of them won't be. You'll usually see like a little star if it's a premium element. But here we have an example of, let's say, a MacBook scroll effect. So as you can see here, it scrolls down. This is a really cool looking animation that we can use on our website. We will click copy prompt. We'll again do Lovable, and then we can send this into our website. Now it's still building our other one right now. So we're going to go ahead and open up a new file and show you what this looks like completely from scratch. So if we're starting from here, we'll just go ahead and click paste. And then at the top, typically I like to give it context for what it's actually building. So you don't want to just paste the prompts directly into the vibe coder. You want to actually say what it's doing with them. So build a website using this element below to sell marketing services, something like that. So that way it has more context for what you're actually building using any of these elements. So while that's building, we'll go ahead and check out some more functions from Aceternity. If you go to components, and you can check out more of these, there's tons of different elements and such that you can use on your site in order to make landing pages, hero sections, specific elements. So for example, this little dotted glow background looks really cool. If you want to use that for a part of your website, you can just go in and click copy prompt and you're good to go. Now you also have access to Magic UI. So this is another one that I like to use a lot. This is a UI library, and you can just click browse components or browse templates. Browsing templates will show you more of the entire website templates, and usually these are paid, but you can also click live preview and then take screenshots of specific sections or the entire website in order to feed it to the AI. So when you have a case like this and you have a website that looks really cool and you want to duplicate it, there's a couple of different options you have. So number one is just copying the URL of the website and then pasting it into the vibe coder. It can read this website and actually go through and and make one that looks very similar to it, if not identical to it. But sometimes it does struggle at getting like the nuances of the site. So typically what I like to do is capture the entire website as a screenshot and then upload it. But how do you capture a website as a screenshot when especially it scrolls and such, just like this website here? So how do we want to do this? We'll use a Chrome extension. If we go ahead and go to the Chrome Web Store, I'll show you the one that I use, and this is really helpful for taking screenshots of entire websites. So if you look up just the word screen, I use Awesome Screen Recorder and Screenshot. If you add this to your Chrome, then you will be able to actually take a screenshot of the entire page. So this is really cool. So if we go back over to this website that we want to copy for an example, then we go to our Chrome, we open up our Chrome extension, and then you can see whenever we go to capture, we can click full page. And then this will go ahead and scroll through the entire website and capture the entire thing as like one PNG. So the benefit of this is we get the entire screenshot of the website and we can upload this to the vibe coder in order to let it build the entire thing. So typically I'll find that if you give it a URL along with a screenshot of the actual website, it can get much better results instead of just going off of the URL. So what we'll do is we'll go ahead and click done. We'll then go ahead and download this. We can click allow, and then we can save this to our computer. Now we can go back to the vibe coder whenever it is building our website, and we'll add this as an attachment. Now, once we do that, we can just tell it to recreate this site. We'll then go ahead and send it through. And now this is going to start building. Now that we have a bunch of different instances of AI Studio building stuff for us, I'm going to take a quick break and we'll come right back. Okay, check this out. So first one that we did, that cool little button, we've got that set up right here. As you can see, it's got that little glow effect on the site. It seamlessly integrated this in with our other component. Absolutely flawless. The second one, the digital marketing website with that Mac animation. Look at that go. All we have to do is upload a screenshot of whatever we're selling. So like a screenshot of your CRM would be perfect. And then this will go straight onto your website. Looks phenomenal. And then the last one is just now finishing up. It's that landing page that we upload the screenshot and the actual URL of the landing page. Look at this. It is flawless. This is a absolutely beautiful landing page. And that URL, the only thing we said was literally recreate this site. That's it. And it looks absolutely great. This is a killer looking website. So again, we got this website from Magic UI. You can go check out their templates, get a live preview, and then just throw it in the vibe coder and it can build literally whatever you want. Now, all of the links to all of these different things are going to be in the description within SaaS Suite. If you stuck around this long, this is actually a little sneak peek at a project that we're working on. This is actually at saassuite.com. So you have access to, under your tech library, these different tools. You can check them out along with a couple other tools we like to use, like High Level, obviously, Claude, Manus, Lovable, etc. And again, if you don't have a high level account and you want to create one and start vibe coding completely for free today, just click the link in the description. It'll be taking you to our vibe coding page where you can sign up for an account under my white label. It's completely free. I don't collect any credit cards or anything. It's just you can start building, and then whenever you're ready, you can go out on your own into your own high level account. So you can go here, just click get started, and you can fill out a quick form, and then you'll get access to an account completely for free. And if you already have a high level account, AI Studio is absolutely awesome. It's insane. If you can't see it inside of your account, just go to settings in the bottom left-hand side and then go to labs. And then once you're here, you can look up AI Studio and turn it on right here if you don't have access to it already inside of your high-level account. Now, using this setup with AI Studio, component libraries, and links to websites you want to recreate is one of the easiest ways in order to actually build some killer-looking landing pages inside of AI Studio. You don't even need Claude anymore or Claude Code in order to build sites like this. You can do all of it right inside of the Vibe Coder. Now, I've already talked about the Vibe Coder a lot. You can launch and publish websites on the Vibe Coder completely for free. So that's another benefit that it has. And of course, being with High Level, they're going to continue pouring into this tool because everyone freaking loves it. So if you want to try out unlimited vibe coding completely for free without paying for tokens or usage or anything, then just click the link below to sign up. So if you have any questions about using the Vibe Coder, drop a comment on this video. If you want to get started, click any of the links in the description. As always, my name is Andrew, and thank you very much for watching.